Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sobit bridge token. Ticker symbol is SOBB, Sobb. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 3rd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Sobit bridge token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a Telegram you could follow at Sobit Bridge EN, that's the English one. 13,634 Telegram members, 975 of them online. So it says unifying liquidity between BRC20 and Solana. So they're bridging between those two networks. There's been a lot of tokens come out bridging between BRC and Ethereum. I saw BRC and Arbitrum, and now we have BRC20 and Solana. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find them on SolScan. They have 5,762 holders so far. You can find it under Sobit space token on SolScan, ticker symbol SOBB. 6 decimal places on this token. There is a current supply of 739,039,292 tokens. Now, their official webpage is sobitbridge.io. Now, if you go over there, you're going to find tons of information, socials. They have Medium articles. They have a Twitter, a Telegram. And they also have a full white paper that you could find over there as well. Also, you could launch their application. There's swapping. There's the bridge, launch, staking, all sorts of things you can click on. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SOBB, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So January 3rd, 7 o'clock UTC time, which means it is live now on Coinex. So this is a new frontier in blockchain interoperability, bridging BRC20 to Sol. So how it works, simplifying cross-chain transfers. So Sobit redefines the concept of token bridging by ensuring a smooth and secure transfer process. Users initiate the bridge by depositing BRC20 tokens into the dedicated Sobit address. The platform confirms these deposits and proceeds to mint equivalent tokens on the Solana blockchain. So the core principles of Sobit, number 1 is fortified security, elevating asset protection through state-of-the-art multi-level defense strategies. Number 2 is Solana synergy. Sobit drives growth with innovative tactics and leverages Solana's ecosystem for a wider range of BRC20 asset usages, improving capital utilization and ensuring faster and more cost-effective user experiences. And lastly, community-driven evolution. So Sobit commits to the adoption cutting-edge technologies benefiting the larger user community of Solana and BRC20. So the bridge, the Sobit bridge, stands as a pioneering solution in the blockchain space, designed to seamlessly bridge BRC20 tokens to the Solana network. The innovative protocol not only facilitates the transfer of tokens, but also significantly enhances the liquidity and utility of BRC20 tokens within the Solana ecosystem. Sobit's integration strategy focuses on enriching Solana's ecosystem by bridging in the value of diversity of BRC20 tokens. This approach not only boosts the potential of dApps and DeFi platforms on Solana, but also provides BRC20 token holders with new opportunities and use cases. So they have how it works. They have a graph on their webpage that shows the cold wallet transfer, the hot wallet, the cross-chain swap contract between the users. There's also the burning and the locking and the unlocking, etc. And it shows how it all works. So Sobit redefines the concept of token bridging by ensuring a smooth and secure transfer process. Users initiate the bridge by depositing BRC20 tokens into a dedicated Sobit address. The platform confirms these deposits and proceeds to bridge over the equivalent tokens on the Solana blockchain. So it's got fortified security, elevating asset protection through state-of-the-art multi-level defense strategies. Solana synergy, so Sobit drives growth and innovative tactics and leverages Solana's ecosystem for a wider range of BRC20 asset usages. And then community-driven evolution, cutting-edge technologies benefiting the larger user community of Sol and BRC20's ecosystems. So they have the security framework at the core of the future of Sobit security measures is validator-based framework. This system requires multiple trusted validators to approve cross-chain transactions, providing an additional layer of security against unauthorized or malicious transfers. Also staking. So staking the SOBB tokens and BRC20 assets to get additional returns and unlock much more interesting and rewarding opportunities in the future. So it says stay tuned for more. And then the seamless exchange. So Sobit will provide a fully on-chain, secure, and Bitcoin native swapping mechanism for the user to easily exchange their BRC20 assets. This will also help with effective price discovery for BRC20 assets. So a lot of those are coming soon and not available yet. At the bottom of their webpage, they have a media toolkit. They also have tutorials if you want to use the products, Medium articles, documentation to provide further information, Telegram, Twitter, and yeah, tons more links at the bottom of the page as well. You can contact them if you want, and the farming and the swapping and all that will be coming soon. So follow their socials for updates. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.